Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So the guys are in the middle of doing a flat toe package on here, and so they just installed that front end clip. But this particular unit, we had to not only pull off both of the quarter panels that were in the back that are attached to the bumper in order to just take the tail lights out. So a lot of times you don't get to see all the detail of what happens to your vehicle when they come in for flat toe. Something I want to talk about, which is different to the prior video that I did, was when you're spending that kind of money to set up a vehicle for a flat toe, it can range wildly. It can be anywhere from say $5,000 to $10,000, even sometimes in cases more, if there's some specialty that has to be adjusted. So when you go to have this done, you want to make sure you contact your insurance companies and that your insurance company knows that you added a braking system, a bracket kit in there, paid to have all the wiring done for the tail lights and the turn signals. And that's in the event that if you were to ever get the vehicle stolen, or you were to ever get in a wreck, or somebody is parked in a Walmart parking lot, somebody smashes into you or whatever, that's accounted for. So whenever you do set up a vehicle for a flat toe, that does increase the value of the vehicle. And I don't think that ever gets mentioned enough in our industry. So if you're doing, like we do a lot of Roadmasters, and primarily this whole system is Roadmaster. So Roadmaster base plate, Roadmaster lighting kit. It does have a different braking system, and that braking system was something that the customer chose to put in, was a different brand. And then I believe they're doing a Roadmaster tow bar set as well. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll let you go. This is Dustin, your RV specialist, and I hope this information helped you in some way. But don't forget, contact your insurance companies. Hey, what's it cost? Is it $5 more a month, or 20 bucks more a year, or whatever that number is, to make sure that I add additional coverage for those components that I upgraded the car on. All right. Thanks again for watching. Dustin, RV specialist.